How can an air fryer cook food so much faster than a regular oven, even though both use hot air? The answer isn't a new type of heat or some hidden technology. An air fryer cooks faster because it's designed to transfer heat to your food much more efficiently. An air fryer is essentially a compact convection oven. Inside is a heating element, usually near the top, along with a powerful fan. The heating element warms the air, and the fan continuously blows that hot air around the food from every direction. The small size of the cooking chamber is one of its biggest advantages. A regular oven has to heat a large amount of air before that critical heat reaches your food. An air fryer only has to heat a small space, allowing it to reach cooking temperature much more quickly. Since the food also sits much closer to the heating element, the heat has a lot shorter distance to travel. In fact, the fan may be just as important as the heating element. Whenever hot food sits in still air, a thin layer of cooler air forms around its surface. That layer acts like insulation, slowing the movement of heat into the food. The air fryer's fan constantly removes that cooler air and replaces it with fresh hot air. This process, called convection, allows heat to move into the food much faster. But if it's just hot air, why does food become so crispy? As the surface heats up, water begins to evaporate. As the surface dries, its temperature can rise high enough for the Maillard reaction to occur. This group of chemical reactions creates the golden brown color and many of the roasted flavors we associate with fried or baked foods. A small amount of oil can improve the results even further. The oil helps the surface heat more evenly and encourages better browning. Even with that light coating, an air fryer typically uses far less oil than deep frying, where food is completely submerged. Airflow is also why you shouldn't overfill the basket. Hot air needs room to circulate around every piece of food. If the basket is packed too tightly, some surfaces are blocked from the moving air, leading to uneven cooking. Shaking the basket or turning the food halfway through exposes more of the surface to the hot air. Not every food cooks at the same speed, though. Thick foods take longer because heat needs more time to reach the center. Frozen foods must first thaw before they begin cooking. And foods with higher water content require more energy because so much heat is used to evaporate moisture. An air fryer isn't faster because it's hotter. It's faster because it's much better at getting heat into your food. By combining a compact cooking chamber with a powerful fan that constantly moves hot air over the food, it cooks faster, browns more evenly, and creates a crispy exterior while using much less oil than traditional deep frying. If you like learning how everyday things really work, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.